Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the airline and terminal because many airports assign terminals by carrier. This saves time. Once done, open your airline app and the airport map to locate the new terminal and gate. Make sure to note connection time and baggage transfer rules so you know if you must reclaim luggage. Keep your boarding pass and ID in hand. You'll need them for security or a recheck. Acting now prevents last-minute rush and missed flights. You now move toward the new terminal using the fastest available method. Many airports run frequent shuttles or trains, while some terminals are walkable. Once aboard, monitor stops and listen for announcements so you don't overshoot your exit. Make sure to factor in security rescreening time and walking distance from drop-off to gate. Adding a 15-30-minute buffer reduces stress. If time looks tight, tell a gate agent. Staff can sometimes. You finish by arriving at the gate, confirming your seat and boarding time with staff so you're certain of the final plan. If you missed your connection, approach the airline counter immediately to request rebooking. Ask about meal or hotel vouchers if eligible. Make sure to keep receipts and note names of staff you speak with for later claims. If technology fails, rely on airport information desks. Staying calm and proactive gets you to your destination faster and with fewer surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.